Hey everyone, welcome to Mahogany Studios. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a Google Sheets planner I created specifically for real estate agents to help simplify tax planning and manage your finances more effectively. If you're looking to stay organized, understand your numbers, and avoid surprises during tax season, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. All right, so this is the Real Estate Agent Tax Planner. The first sheet is where you'll enter all of your income and expenses. On the income side, you can input your commissions. Whether you want to break them down or just enter a total amount, it's completely flexible since everything is manual. If you have other income sources related to your business, you can include those here as well. Basically, any money coming into your business goes on the income side. On the expense side, you'll see suggested categories for common business expenses. These are just guidelines. You can always customize them based on your needs. Each month, you can track how much you're spending across different categories like salary, office rent, and more. This sheet will automatically calculate your total income, total expenses, and most importantly, your net profit. And honestly, that's the number that really matters. A lot of agents focus on how much commission they're bringing in, but not enough attention is paid to expenses. You might have a great sales month, but if your expenses are high, your actual profit could be much lower than expected. So this sheet helps you stay aware of what you're truly earning, not just generating. Next, we have the Tax Estimator tab. This is where you can estimate how much you might owe in taxes. You'll start by selecting your filing status, whether you're single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, or head of household. The sheet automatically pulls in your income and expense data from the previous tab. From there, you can add any additional income, like a spouse's earnings, or include deductions, such as charitable contributions. Based on this information, the sheet calculates your adjusted gross income and gives you an estimate of your tax liability. Just keep in mind, this is for planning purposes only. For accurate advice, you should always consult a CPA or tax professional. This tool is simply here to give you a ballpark idea so you can prepare ahead of time. This tab is a budget by commission. This is one of the most practical tools in the planner. It helps you manage how you allocate each commission you receive. For example, let's say you sold a $500 house at a 10% commission. That's $50,000 gross. Sounds great, right? But once you factor in broker splits, team fees, and transaction costs, what actually lands in your bank account might be closer to $31,000. This sheet helps you break that amount down, so you're not just spending it all at once. You can allocate portions of your income toward 25% for taxes, 50% for investment, 10% for retirement savings, 5% for education, and anything else you need. This way, you're planning ahead instead of scrambling when tax season comes around. A lot of agents get caught off guard in April because they didn't set aside enough for taxes. But this tool helps you avoid that situation entirely. Next, we have the Tax Parameter tab. This tab contains all of the tax settings used behind the scenes to calculate your estimated tax liability in the Simple Tax Estimate tab. Inside, you'll find the different tax brackets, rates, and income ranges based on your filing status, whether you're filing as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, or head of household. Each row represents a specific tax bracket. It shows the minimum and maximum income for that bracket, the corresponding tax rate, and the base tax amount applied before calculating any additional taxes. So, for example, as your income increases, the sheet automatically applies the correct tax bracket and calculates how much tax you owe based on those predefined rules. The important thing to know here is that this tab is already set up for you, so you typically won't need to make changes. Finally, we have the deduction checklist. This includes common expenses that real estate agents can typically deduct. It's designed to help jog your memory so you don't miss anything. If you're unsure whether something is deductible, it's always best to check with a professional. But this list is a great starting point to make sure you're capturing as many deductions as possible. And that's a full walkthrough of the Real Estate Agent Tax Planner. If you found this helpful, you can check out the link in the description to get your own copy. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video here at Mahogany Studios.
We appreciate you watching this video. You can stay up to date on useful templates by subscribing to Mahogany Studios. This spreadsheet template can also be bought at Mahogany Sheets, the link for which can be found in the description down below. If you want this customized just the way you need it, contact us anytime. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest updates and helpful templates. Catch you in the next one. More sample like this.